In 1980, Shenzhen was just a small fishing village. Today, it's one of the most advanced technology cities on Earth. Meanwhile, across the Pacific Ocean, San Francisco helped create Silicon Valley, the birthplace of companies that changed the digital world. Two cities, two different paths, but both shaping the future of technology. So which one truly leads the global tech revolution?
Shenzhen versus San Francisco. Detailed comparison. 1. Beauty and culture. Shenzhen is one of the most modern cities in the world. Just a few decades ago, it was a small fishing village, but today it has transformed into a global technology hub and a futuristic metropolis. The city is famous for its clean roads, wide streets, modern architecture, and impressive skyscrapers. At night, the skyline lights up with colorful neon lights, giving the city a vibrant and futuristic look. One of the most iconic buildings in the city is the Ping An Finance Center, which is among the tallest skyscrapers in the world. Culturally, Shenzhen is considered a young and diverse city because millions of people from different regions of China have moved there for work and business opportunities. This creates a mix of cultures, ideas, and lifestyles. San Francisco. San Francisco is famous for its unique combination of natural beauty, historic landmarks, and artistic culture. The city is built on hills and surrounded by the Pacific Ocean and the San Francisco Bay. Because of its hills, many streets go up and down, creating a very distinctive and beautiful urban landscape. One of the most famous landmarks in the world, the Golden Gate Bridge, is located here. This bridge has become a global symbol of engineering and beauty. San Francisco is also known for its colorful Victorian-style houses, historic districts, and strong artistic culture. Musicians, artists, writers, and filmmakers have long been inspired by this city. 2. Technology and major companies. Shenzhen. Shenzhen is often called China's Silicon Valley because of its powerful technology industry. Many global tech companies are headquartered here, including Huawei and Tencent. Tencent is one of the largest internet companies in the world and developed the famous super app WeChat, which combines messaging, payments, social media, and many other services. Shenzhen is especially known as the global center for electronics manufacturing, including smartphones, drones, computer parts, and smart devices. San Francisco. San Francisco is one of the most important technology centers in the world because it is located near Silicon Valley. Some of the world's biggest technology companies are based in this region, including Apple and Google. These companies have played a major role in shaping the modern digital world through smartphones, internet services, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. 3. Smart city and infrastructure. Shenzhen. Shenzhen is considered one of the most advanced smart cities in the world. The city uses modern technology in many areas, such as smart traffic systems, AI-based traffic control, advanced metro networks, and digital public services. The city's rapid transit network, the Shenzhen Metro, is one of the fastest-growing metro systems in the world and connects almost every major part of the city. San Francisco. San Francisco is extremely strong in technology and innovation, but its infrastructure is often considered older compared to some modern Asian cities. Many roads, buildings, and transit systems were built decades ago. However, the city still maintains a strong transportation network and continues to upgrade its infrastructure. 4. Startups and innovation. San Francisco. San Francisco has one of the most powerful startup ecosystems in the world because of its proximity to Silicon Valley. Thousands of startups are launched here every year in industries like artificial intelligence, biotechnology, software development, and digital platforms. Many famous tech companies actually started as small startups in this region. Shenzhen. Shenzhen is especially famous for hardware startups.
entrepreneurs from around the world come to Shenzhen because they can quickly design, prototype, and manufacture electronic products. If someone wants to build a new gadget, drone, or smart device, Shenzhen offers the fastest and most efficient manufacturing ecosystem. 5. Transportation system. Shenzhen has a very modern and efficient transportation network that includes electric buses, advanced metro lines, and smart traffic systems. In fact, Shenzhen became the first major city in the world where almost all buses are fully electric, helping reduce pollution and improve sustainability. San Francisco. San Francisco is famous for its historic and iconic transport system called the San Francisco Cable Car System. These cable cars run through the steep streets of the city and are one of the most popular tourist attractions. Riding a cable car offers visitors a unique and historic experience. 6. Economy and industry. Shenzhen. Shenzhen's economy is mainly driven by electronics manufacturing and technology production. The city produces a huge portion of the world's smartphones, electronic devices, computer hardware, and smart gadgets. Because of this, Shenzhen is often called the electronics capital of the world. San Francisco. San Francisco's economy is largely based on software development, internet services, digital technology, and venture capital investments. Instead of manufacturing hardware, the city focuses more on creating digital products, apps, and software platforms. 7. Cost of living. San Francisco. San Francisco is considered one of the most expensive cities in the world. Living costs are extremely high because of very high rent prices, expensive food and services, and high taxes. In many cases, the rent for a small apartment can reach several $1,000s per month. Shenzhen. Shenzhen is also an expensive city compared to many Chinese cities, but it is still more affordable than San Francisco. Housing, transportation, and food are generally cheaper, making it more manageable for many professionals and workers. 8. Future technology and development. Shenzhen. Shenzhen is rapidly developing technologies related to smart cities, electric vehicles, robotics, and advanced manufacturing. One of the leading companies in electric vehicle technology is BYD, which is headquartered in Shenzhen, San Francisco. San Francisco continues to lead the world in future technologies such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, software innovation, and digital platforms. Many cutting-edge AI companies and research labs are located in Silicon Valley near San Francisco. Final conclusion. Both cities are global technology powerhouses, but they specialize in different areas. Shenzhen, main strength, hardware innovation, electronics manufacturing, smart city technology. San Francisco, main strength, software development, AI innovation, startup ecosystem. Shenzhen is often seen as the global center for hardware and electronics, while San Francisco is considered the global capital of software, startups, and artificial intelligence.